Hello, my dear family members. I hope all of you are preparing well for your upcoming TCS NQT or Accenture exam. If you are looking for recent questions of these companies and also finding for all previous year questions, then this channel is best for you. So today we'll discuss a coding question which was asked recently, and happily the question was asked in TCS as well as in Accenture. So let's see. But before we proceed, I would recommend you to have the TCS NQT Prime materials, in which you will have all the recent coding questions as well as previous year questions and the mock test as well. So to get that, knock me at my Instagram ID, instagram.com/techno.uf. You will get it. Okay. So let's see what's the question is. So the question is regarding, you have been given an array of n integers. Task is to replace elements with its rank in the array. So here is the sample input. So these are the elements of the array: 20, 15, 26 to 98, 6. And here is the output. So your output should be 435162. How? I'm explaining. So at first the approach of you should be like, the numbers are 20, 15, 26 to 98 and 6. So you have to make them sorted in ascending order, like 2, 6, 15, 20, 26, then 98, right? So then you have to take the rank or the order of that element, like this. So at first make the array sorted, right, in ascending order. Then check the current rank of that element, like for 2 this is 1, for 6 this is 2, for 15 the rank is 3, for 20 the rank is 4, for 26 the rank is 5, and for 98 the rank is 6. So just you have to put the corresponding rank of the element, right? So for 20 the rank is 4, for 15 the rank is 3, for 26 the rank is 5, and for 2 the rank is 1, for 98 the rank is 6, for 6 the rank is 2. So you have to print only the rank of that corresponding element, array element. Okay, so the next input is this. So 1, 5, 8, 15, 8, 25 and 9 are the elements, right? So if you sort the elements, like at first what will come, at first 1, if you sort the elements in ascending order, then at first 1, then 5, then 8, then 8, then 9, then 15, then 25 will come, right? So if you assign the rank of those elements, so the rank will be, for 1 is 1, for 5 is 2, for 8 is 3, for 8 is 4, and sorry, for 8 is also 3, for 9 is 4, for 15 is 5, for 25 is 6. So you have to put that rank against that element, right? For 1 the rank is 1, for 5 the rank is 2, that's why I the output is 2, for 8 the output should be 3, and for 8 the output should be 3, for 15 the output should be 5, I mean the rank is 5, and for 25 the output should be 6, right? So this way you have to print the output in a separate array, right? So I hope you understood the logic, I mean the question and the task. So if you understood, then please start solving the problem and give the answer in the comment section. So actually I will not solve the problem today, so I'm now giving you the task to solve it and give me the answer in the comment section. Whoever will give the answer correctly in Java and Python both, I will give you the materials of TCS NQT for free. So let's see who can achieve the TCS NQT prime materials. So I hope you all will try that. So thank you for today's session.